Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabin here from Sabin Digital. Welcome to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to do a review for a cookieless ad. Okay, so due to a new update of iOS and Android, nowadays it is really difficult to retarget an audience using an ads and normally generate a sale. But the problem is, due to a new update, there has been a lot of problem which has been created by iOS and Android for retargeting or running an ad properly. Nowadays, people also prefer using an ad blocker, so they are not going to be getting an ad. This way, you are losing a lot of sales and a lot of money on the table. So, cookieless ad is going to be allowing you to exploit a loophole of a Facebook retargeting system, which is going to be allowing you to run a retargeting ad without using a cookie feature. So that is the reason it has been named cookieless ad, and allow you to retarget the traffic in a matter of click by using this amazing software. As you can see right now, I'm already inside the dashboard of the software, and once you normally use the software, it will be a lot easier for you to retarget those traffic and generate a sale from the ad that you are currently running and create a profitable ad campaign on 2020-21. So make sure you are going to be staying until the end of this review to find out every single information about this particular product, and also to normally find out whether how you are going to be using this to run an amazing ad which will help you to retarget more traffic, get more sales and a conversion rate. I'm going to give a detailed demo of the product so you can also see how does it work actually. And on the meantime, once you decided that you are going to be getting your copy of the product, make sure you are going to be clicking a link which will be down below this video description, which will take you to my detailed review blog, where I have normally compared the pricing of the product. I have also normally shown you how much this will cost you, whether those are going to be a recurring payment, one-time payment, what are the funnel structure of the product, and all of the major detail that you need to have will be available on my blog website. So make sure you are going to be checking out so you can find the detailed information. And I'm also going to be putting some extra bonuses for you that you can get as an incentive if you get your copy from this review. So now I'm going to normally go with 100% of my computer screen, and let's begin seeing this amazing software. As you can see right now, I'm with 100% of my cookieless ad software dashboard. So now I'm going to show you that how you can easily create a pixel inside that, how you can set up an ad and every single thing in detail, so you can get a detailed preview about this cloud-based app. How does you are going to be using this to run a high converting ad without even worrying about new Facebook and a new Apple iOS update, which will normally kill your ad and which will not allow you to make more profit, get more return on investment on your ad. So for that, just click on a create a pixel. Once this page open up, you need to normally enter your pixel name. So I'm going to normally name it a test 555. So now you need a 3 different code. First will be in a Facebook pixel code, second will be Facebook access token, and a test event code. So I'm going to show you manually how you are going to be finding this code inside your Facebook ad manager, so you don't have to worry about anything. And it also gives you a feature to create a multiple pixel. So if you want to create a multiple pixel, that is also possible. So now first log into your ad manager account and normally click on the business tool and go to a event manager. Once you normally go to an event manager, you just have to copy the 3 detail. First is your pixel ID. As you can see, this is the pixel ID. Okay, let me go over here. Pixel ID. Another will be Facebook access token. So click on the setting. Once you normally go over here, there if you scroll it below, there is a something called conversion API. Inside the conversion API, click on get start and set up your conversion API manually. So I'm not going to show you my pixel code right now because I want to normally hide it. It is really essential detail of your Facebook ad manager account. So once you normally copy that detail, we also need something called test ID. So for testing the event, click on this particular test event, and if you scroll it below, you can just by clicking this, you can copy that particular test event code detail, paste that test event code detail. So now I'm normally going to pause the video and copy my Facebook access token. Now I have normally entered my Facebook pixel code, Facebook access token, and a test event. Once you normally follow this step, click on continue. So now you have to normally select what type of ad you are currently running. So as an example, if you are running a normally e-commerce ad which you are going to use for promoting a dropshipping product or something like that, or if you are running a ad for find a location, lead generation, purchase, or search ad, you can normally choose whichever type of category ad you are running. So I'm going with the add to cart. Once you normally go there, you just have to enter a few detail like what is a currency, after that value, what is a price, what will be the contact name or content type, contacts, and contact ID. So these are the detail. Once you successfully enter that, you are going to normally generate the script which will appear here, which script will be pasted on your website. Based on your website, now you are going to normally run a amazing profitable ad by using this tool, which will allow you to normally bypass the ad blocker, bypass the new iOS update, and also bypass many more cookie thing, which is not going to be allow your ad to show up properly to the audience you are trying to target. This way you can easily normally get a better conversion, lead, sale, and better result with the ad you are running on really low price, because nowadays due to a lot of new security upgrade, your ad which has been decreased, your normally ROI, I'm pretty much sure, has also been decreased for running a Facebook ad and Instagram ad. But once you normally follow this process by using a cookieless ad, you will easily able to normally get more result with your Facebook ad. So I hope you have normally really enjoy my review of this cookieless ad. I have also tried to give my bit of a demo for you, so you are gonna be normally understanding every single thing about this properly. They also has got few other feature like interest finder. If you want to target a ad and if you want to normally find the interest of your dream customer, you can use their feature. They also has got a done for you ad set, image editor, detailed training tutorial, bonuses, team feature. So you can check out this feature on your own. I have just show you the actual main feature of the product. And as I have mentioned, if you want to get your copy of this cookieless ad and want to find out more detail about this, is you just have to do a simple thing, is click a link down below this video, and once you normally visit this page, you can click on this button, get your copy, or reach to a sales page where you can find more information, or every single detail about a cookieless ad is also appear on this page already. What is the cookieless ad is all about, why cookieless ad is important for running an ad. As you can see, audience size consistently shrinking, a poor ad targeting, unable to generate a quality lead and sale, a negative return on investment, unable to create a negative Facebook pixel based audience, wasting money on targeting random audience. These are some of the common problem this tool will solve. If you go over here, here are the steps that you have to follow. I have explained every single thing properly. If you go over here, you can also see some of the key benefit of the cookieless ad. Who is cookieless ad for? So what is an actual person who need a cookieless ad? You also find out whether you are a fit for that or not. If you don't need a cookieless ad on your business, why to normally waste your money, right? And some of the key feature cookieless ads has got, if you scroll it below, I have also included a demo which is 4 minute 2 second long, where you are going to be seeing an actual software demo from a product creator, how you are going to use the software. Then there will be an cookieless ad pricing and funnel. Basically, what will be the cost of the cookieless ad, what are the feature you are getting. They have got a few upsell also, which you can also check out. If those upsell are something that you think you require, you can get your copy. My recommendation is they have got a two different plan. First will be their basic plan, second will be their unlimited plan. Do not buy the basic plan. If possible, try to normally buy their direct plan, which is this unlimited plan. This will cost you $67, double the money. But the best part about this is you are gonna be getting every single thing unlimited. On their basic plan, every single thing will be limited. They have got a cookieless ad link which will also cost you addition $67, but it will give you a whole lot other feature to increase your return on investment on ad and get more profit. These are a feature which you can normally read out. After that, if you want a white label license of the product, want to sell this as an agency, you can normally get their unlimited white label license on $297 price point, a cookieless ad masterclass. So if you are one of those people who do not know how to run a profitable Facebook ad, or just beginning with a Facebook ad and an online ad, and you are not sure whether you are running properly or not, they have got a masterclass where you are going to be getting every single detail about running a profitable Facebook ad, how you can build an email list using a Facebook ad for pennies, how you can make a lot of profit out of it. And if you scroll it below, there is also a discounted coupon. This discounted coupon will only be valid if you normally get your copy by clicking any link in this page. Okay, otherwise this discount code will not be valid for you. And now if you decided that you are going to be getting a copy from this review blog, I'm also going to be throwing some bonuses. There are 4 bonuses which will easily and rapidly help you to get more success. There is also a process how you can claim my bonus by clicking this particular button on your purchase receipt once you pick up a copy from this particular review blog. So now these are the content that is available on my website. Make sure you are going to be checking out. I have normally done an in-depth review of the product, so you are not going to be missing out any single part. But before we normally end this review, let's have a look to their unlimited plan. Okay, so their basic plan, what they are offering. So this is the plan that I want you to buy, and you can check out the upgrade on your own. If you want those upgrade, you can pay for it, or if you do not want, you can skip it. So the normally thing that they are offering is every single thing unlimited on plan. Like you can create unlimited targeting, you can do it for unlimited website, unlimited pixel, unlimited ad account, unlimited ad creator, unlimited visitor and a page views, unlimited conversion rate, unlimited lead, 14 plus network social poster, stock video, stock footage, video editor for creating video ad, Google tag manager, AdWord pixel, Quora pixel, Pinterest pixel, Twitter pixel, LinkedIn normally pixel, 100 sub account. So if you want other team member of your software company, or if you want other people to normally access it, you can do that as well. Premium support, a regular monthly update, complete step-by-step video training, easy beginner friendly fully cloud-based software, and launch discount one-time price. So by clicking this button, you can get your copy of an unlimited plan for a $67 one-time payment. But I think this is a worth buying if you are one of those people who run a Facebook ad consistently, because it is gonna be helping you to reduce your ad cost and increase your ROI to a positive from a negative, and also allow you to target a better audience, because the more narrow target you are gonna be doing, the more amount of a good lead you are gonna be generating every single day using a Facebook, which will potentially help your brand and help your company. So I hope that you have really enjoyed my cookieless ad review. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. Sabine signing out with a review of a cookieless ad. I'm going to be checking you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye.